Hey everyone, this is Ebony from Tshirt.ca. Today, we're going to be showing you how to transform any old t-shirt into a cool new halter top. All you need is a t-shirt, scissors, chalk, and a ruler. First, we're going to lay the t-shirt out flat and cut off the sleeves just inside the seams. Next, we'll measure and mark 2 inches along the neckband from where the neckband and the shoulder seam meet. Draw a line from each chalk mark to the bottom of each armhole. Repeat on the back. Now, let's take our scissors and cut along the chalk lines from the bottom of the armholes to the neckband. Then cut around the edge of the neckband until you reach the corresponding chalk marks on the back. Next, we're going to cut along the 2 chalk lines at the back from the neckband to the bottom of each armhole. Remove the excess fabric and give your new tank top a try. And there you have it, your very own DIY t-shirt halter top.